excited. I mean, I just remember growing up how important the derby was. I mean, I come from a very big soccer family. My dad used to play, he also used to coach growing up locally. So it's always been in my blood, it's always been in my veins, and the derby is really one of the most anticipated social events on the calendar. So just really excited about it, because it really is one of those events that brings the whole country together. Households are divided, friends are united, friends are even divided, but everyone comes together to support the age-long rivalry of Kaizer Chiefs and the London Pirates.
So tell us, which team are you backing?
I am not backing any of the teams. I am backing both teams. You know, what's so beautiful about being in sports and being in the industry is that I really get to appreciate every single team for what they bring. I'm just so excited that they're sitting so close on the log. Any of them have the opportunity after Saturday's match to go out there, go against Sundowns, and hopefully contest the title race. So I'm excited about this fixture. It's probably one of the most exciting derbies we've seen in a while, purely based on the log.
Lastly, what's your favorite PSL player?
My favorite PSL player, I mean, I guess it's not derby, but one of my favorite players is Hlompho Kekana from Sundowns. He's a captain, he's a solid leader, but also just a solid player. One of my favorites definitely in the last couple of seasons. Thank you.